Hey guys, this is going to be another short video update. So, we live in New York City. We don't have the best roads, and right now they're going through paving these roads. This, I always make sure it's secure. We have a bike with shock absorbers. We have a bike where this just shouldn't happen because this is labeled as an action camera. And what happened is, even though this was securely inside here, it popped right out and went on the ground. Thankfully, for me and for DJI at this point, nothing's cracked, it just got a little bit scuffed, and that's okay. But the disappointment that they did not do anything to revise this model, I'm just really upset at that. Because this is the brand new 2024 refresh. It is not the older unit, and still it came out of its case. So, I mean, the best thing that you could do is you do metal on metal connection, but to get the heat dispersion, you have to use this case. Now, I've had a bigger problem with the cases around here, but I've still had issues with this. That's extremely disappointing. And, well, DJI, if you reach out again, you better have a solution about this. Because again, this is your refreshed model. This is the new model. It is not the previous one. Get this fixed. Or else, hey, I'll just continue making videos about this and we can talk about this more.